Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are crafting with all things decals at the Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has out $1.25 decals. They are these huge stickers that are perfect to go on the wall, but I actually like to craft with them for a bazillion things. So many ways you can use these. I wanted to bring you an entire video dedicated to how to put these to good use. I know you're gonna love it. Also, a huge thank you to Helix Sleep for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and let's get on into it. The best part about using wall decals for any type of decor or craft that you're making is that you don't have to work really hard to get a really pretty like wall art or any type of decor piece. So all you really have to do is worry about prepping the sign that it's going on. So for like this one, I'm just using a leftover Christmas sign. I flip this over and use the back. I am painting this white and then creating a little frame with some tower blocks. Now these didn't fit perfect on the side, so I am using some miter shears to cut some little pieces to fill in those leftover little gaps. I stain the blocks with some flagstone stain. This is my favorite color stain, and then I can put the wall decal right in the middle and it creates an instant sign. To make the frame as straight as possible, I do use the edge of the sign to get these straight, glue them together before attaching them to the sign, and then after I do put my wall decal on there, I do like to cover that over with some Mod Podge to make sure that later on, after time or moisture or dusting it or anything like that, it's not going to peel up. But I love how you could like put any type of saying or wall art piece in here and it would go perfectly with the frame sign, and we literally put this sign together for just a few bucks, but looks like an actual gorgeous piece that you would purchase from the store. Usually hanging right with the wall decals are these poster letters or poster stickers. These are perfect to create any saying without a Cricut or cutting machine. I put the word eat on these little plates. I added a little bit of black paint around the edges just to kind of coordinate with the letters, and it makes a gorgeous piece. I set these up on a shelf for a dining area, and I just love how it turned out. You could put a family last name or add more or less to these, but I think they look really cute, especially for farmhouse. One of my favorite pieces or wall decals that Dollar Tree has put out are some little mirrored houses. So I wanted to prep a sign that I could put those onto. I have some blue scrapbooking paper. I love mixing up the colors and not just going neutral all the time. So I put that inside of this frame sign. I love these signs. Pick them up if you see them at your store. I added some wood beads and then painted the little mirrored houses white so they're not reflective and they're going to look really cute dangling from this garland. I did paint them on a slick surface, and whenever I picked them up, the excess paint did come with them, so I did just scratch that off with a little X-Acto knife. I tied some little knots on this garland so it looked like they were actually hanging from these little ropes, but I just hot glued them down in place, and then I'll be putting a little word at the bottom. I picked up 2 packs so that I had enough houses to do every other one. I love the little heart and then the one with the little windows. I think these will be so gorgeous to use around Christmas time, so definitely grab a pack of these if you see them. I use this family word at the bottom. I just painted it black so it would really pop off of here, but I feel like this is so gorgeous. It looks high-end and I don't know, it just brings a lot of fun color to any space. Before moving on, I do want to give a huge thank you to Helix Sleep for sponsoring today's video. Tell you how you can get an incredible night's sleep and potentially change your life. Me and my husband have been sleeping on our Helix Sleep mattress for several months now, and it has been life-changing. I used to deal with a lot of shoulder tension. He has a lot of lower back pain, and no joke, getting this new mattress has completely made the world a difference and just makes my days feel so much better. I wake up feeling more energized and a lot less pain. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs, And the best part is that they ship these mattresses in a box straight to your door with free shipping. So Helix Sleep is a great option when you are feeling like overwhelmed with so many mattress choices. They really narrow it down. They actually created a sleep quiz that you can take within just a few minutes. You can take this alone or with your partner, and it will fit you with the perfect mattress. So you can tell it whether you're used to sleeping on your side or your back, or what kind of degree of softness that you want. You can upgrade to a cooling cover on your mattress, and they are going to find the best one for you to sleep on. We were actually paired with the Helix Midnight Luxe, and we were so excited by how fast that it showed up, how easy it was to unwrap. It was so much fun watching it pop up, and we had it set up in just a few minutes and ready to go. Our girls were so excited, but it has just the right amount of support, but also really comfy to touch. With your Helix Sleep mattress, you are going to get a 100-night trial to try this out, as well as a 10-year warranty. And Helix wants to make sure that you're going to love it and you feel that it's perfect for you. If it's just not working, they will actually come and pick it up and give you your money back. So you definitely, there's no risk. Try it out. I love my Helix. I know you will too. You can check out Helix by going down in the description box, clicking the link, or going to helix.com/crafts. That is crafts with a K. Helix.com/crafts to receive up to $200 off of your order. Plus you get 2 free pillows. So go take the sleep quiz today. Invest in yourself. Set yourself up with success and get an incredible night's sleep.
Walmart had out these fall signs already put together, very inexpensive last year, so I grabbed extra ones. Now I can make this using Dollar Tree items. You can use popsicle sticks and a thin flat canvas and put this together for just a couple of bucks, but why not buy it whenever it's already put together? I even saw last year that they clearanced these out, so you could have purchased this for like $1.50, super inexpensive. All I did was tape off the wood pieces. I painted over the words on there, and then using these gorgeous boho wall decals, I am using the little succulents in these pots. I think they are gorgeous. I just line them up, and this makes an instant sign. I put this on a little like blanket ladder for my bedroom, but I think it was so gorgeous, so much better than if I had to try and like hand paint these myself. Another way to use the same set of stickers, but the leftover ones, is to grab these mini little signs. These are the best for the little wooden bead hangers. I love making these over for fall and Christmas time, but I just put some white cardstock over the image that was in there, and then put these stickers on, trim the excess down, put them back in these frames. I love when Dollar Tree puts out pieces that the back actually comes off and we're not having to try to pry the glue off or anything, but how easy these are made over in just a couple of minutes, and it's going to be so much fun just making these coordinate with the other signs in the bedroom. I love the Dollar Tree laundry room decals. I have used these many times before. One of my favorite ways is to grab any of Dollar Tree's signs, make it over. I painted the back of it around the edges gray to look like it had a frame, painted the inside white. I didn't love those cutout eyelashes obviously for a laundry room sign, so I cut down some popsicle sticks to cover that completely, and then picked up these adorable laundry room wall decals to put on the sign. But you definitely could do this for any type of decals that was out at Dollar Tree, but these look so cute and fit perfect stacked up. Now I'm prepping another sign. This is just another random leftover sign, painting it completely white, and I'm going to be putting on another laundry room decal. This one says laundry room, drop your drawers here. It is too cute. I love the mixed fonts on there. I'm just placing it on a plain white sign, and you could leave this as is, add in a hanger, or hang it up as it is, but I wanted to upgrade it a little bit, so I am using a piece of wood that we had left over. I stained that with some dark stain and then gluing this on top, and you cannot tell these are Dollar Tree items, and this is going to be thick enough that it could actually stand by itself on a shelf, or you could attach this to the wall. I hung it above my washer and dryer, but I love it. I think it's so chic looking and really cute. A way to make your pieces look a lot more high-end or have more of an impact on your wall is to actually group them in sets of 3. So I am using 3 signs now, going to leave them vertically. I filled in the little holes with some wood filler, painted these white, and then I found some wall decals that were like up and down that would go perfect on these skinny little boards, and then I'm going to decorate the ones on both sides with some different stickers. So I was showing you that you could use any of these with the florals or any type of design, but I love these little succulents. I feel like they have some color in there, but they're perfect, like neutral, so they blend in with every style. But I put those down, and then I am going to Mod Podge them over later, but first I wanted to go ahead and use some paint stir sticks. I picked these up at Walmart for just like $1. I stained them, cut them down to size, and I feel like it makes it look so much nicer gluing these at the top and the bottom, and kind of makes it look like a real piece of wood. I know we're talking about wall decals, but if you can't find a lot, definitely check the seasonal section for their window clings. So these can be just as functional or really, really pretty. So these can be just as decorative and cute. I love to attach them to a piece of white paper or cardstock because they do have like a transparent look to them. And then I am spraying them with this spray adhesive glue from Dollar Tree. It works really, really well. And then I'm just going to put it inside this photo frame. So I love a layered look. I'm using the gingham print as the background. I put it on the white, but I did cut around it, but going to stack this on another piece that kind of looks like a little bit of a burlap pattern, and I feel like it looks so gorgeous and scrappy, but really fun for the fall season. So this will be perfect to make for this fall. I'm getting so excited for more fall DIYs, but just really, really fun getting to try this out and decorate for each season.
Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what type of projects you have used that maybe we didn't think about with all of these decals. I'm so excited. Maybe they're going to put out some new ones for the fall season. Once again, don't forget about helixsleep.com/crafts, and that is crafts with a K, to receive $200 off your order plus 2 free pillows. You're not going to want to miss out. You could potentially change your life forever. I love my Helix mattress, and if something happened to it today, I would be purchasing another one. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.